So hey gems, welcome back to my channel. I am just leaving my house. Today is Sunday, October 29th. I am just leaving my house to go to this survivor meetup, well, circle event activity thing for an organization I'm a part of called Hope for victims of domestic violence and sexual abuse. It started at 3 o'clock and right now it's 4 o'clock and I'm just heading there. It's probably gonna take me at about 20-25 minutes to get there because it's all the way in town, Christianstead. So yeah, it's supposed to be going until 7, so hopefully I'm still able to participate in, I think it's candle making or something, aromatherapy, something. To be honest, I did not read the flyer thoroughly, and my energy has been extremely low. So although I knew I was going, like, my day has been moving extremely slow. So even right now, like, I am so tired that my eyes really just feel heavy and I would like to close them. But I'm pushing through, and the only reason I'm this tired though is because it's like throughout the week I've been going to bed very early, like 9:30, 10 o'clock I'm in bed because I have no reason to be up late, quite frankly. It's like I'm sleeping but I'm not getting rest. I wake up in the middle of the night, I'm tossing and turning, I'm dreaming. It's just a lot going on. So I'm waking up feeling still drained and tired. And then last night I just couldn't sleep. I didn't go to sleep until like after 2 in the morning. I was just up writing and writing and writing, just trying to get everything on my mind out of my head and onto some paper to see if that helps. So I was writing and writing and writing. I wrote like 4 pages so far and I'm still not done. Y'all, I'm not crazy, I promise you I'm not. But I am heading to this event and I ran back inside with my camera because I wasn't going to film anything today, but I went back inside for my camera because I'm like, listen, you said Sundays they're gonna try and film, so let's try and be consistent. So I went back for it, and to be honest, I don't know what this video is about to be, and I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to film there because I don't really like filming in crowded areas. You don't know who's comfortable being on camera, like, you know. So we'll see if I get to get any footage in there, but I am not sure. No, I am so tired. I am so tired. So tired. Wow. So I just made it in town. It's 4:22. So like I said, it would have been 20-25 minutes. I don't even know exactly where this place is, so I'm about to go and try and figure it out and see what's going on. I'm actually hungry. I wonder if they have food I could eat. Let's see. Otherwise, I'm gonna buy something to eat somewhere in town. But y'all, I'm so tired. Like, I literally am tempted to just lay this chair back and take a nap because even when I go home later, like, I still have so much to do to get the boys ready for tomorrow, finish laundry. Anyways, let me get off of this camera. I remember I never actually came back on here to wrap up that video I was recording on Sunday when I went to that event that you saw me talking about in the previous clip. It was great. I knew I wasn't gonna record there just because the type of event it was. But it was a great event. We made candles. We did this activity about, you know, like answering questions about ourselves that led us to our purpose. And it was just a good time, good vibes with good people, you know. Anyways, why am I on here now? I just finished getting a massage. Today is November 1st, Wednesday. It's 9 o'clock in the night, and I just got a massage, a full body massage. I've been doing it once a month ever since my birthday in May. I did miss last month and September, but I'm back on track. But I do a massage, chiropractor adjustment, and acupuncture every month. I don't know if it was a good idea to get it at this time of night, because now I have to drive home, and I'm all the way in Christiansted East, and I have to drive home to West. But I also love doing it at night, because now I know I can go home, take a shower, and go to bed. So that's why I enjoy doing it at night, and it was so amazing. I feel so relaxed. When she was massaging like up here, I just felt things like just open up. And massages are good, not just like good self-care practice, but it actually has a lot of health benefits. It's part of holistic healing. It's definitely part of holistic healing. Helps with your blood circulation, helps your lymph nodes to drain and improve the health of your lymphatic system, which is important for your immune system. Like, if you're not getting massages, what are you waiting for? Okay. Anyways, why did I come on here? I have no idea. Why did I come on here? When I figure it out, I'll come back on here. I don't know what I'm doing with these videos. What am I gonna do with these clips? It's like just nothing. Oh, what I could say is, if you watch my previous video, the one with me going to that event, Bush Cook Chef Cook, that my sister was participating in and won, by the way. The beginning of that video, I mentioned that like I was having a hard day, hard time, was feeling sad, whatever the case may be. I did record a video explaining why I was sad, but decided not to post it. I recorded it, edited it, and scheduled it to upload, but I decided not to post it. Why did I decide not to post it? Because although what I said in the video was very true in terms of what I was feeling in the moment, things have changed a bit, and I'm not sure what direction things are about to go in, so I just don't feel comfortable posting it at this point. Anyways, let me get off up here and go home. It's after 9, it's 9:07. It's gonna take me about 20 to 25 minutes to get home. Hopefully my child is sleeping. Well, my children. I know the 2 older boys are sleeping, but hopefully the baby is sleeping as well, so I could just go home, pack their lunch kits, bathe, and get in my bed because I am exhausted. Okay, I'm back. So I am home. I've already taken my shower, and I'm actually about to Yoni steam before I go to bed, but I wanted to come back on here and show y'all my candle because I said I was gonna do that. It's nighttime, so my room is dark. So this is my candle that we made. How pretty is it? So cute. And it smells so good. So at the end we had to name our candle, and I named mine At Ease because it's a very like calming, sensual scent, you know, something that makes you feel relaxed and at ease. It's a mix of lavender, lilac, and peppermint. Don't ask me why I chose those 3, but it went well together and it smells really good. This is my vibe. At night, I be in my own little world. Okay, that's better. Let me turn this down. I'm listening to some some saxophone jazz. The fan is loud, isn't it? The AC is loud too. But yeah, I'm listening to some saxophone jazz. I actually been really into jazz this year. So at night when I'm all, you know, relaxed and getting ready for bed, I would play jazz in the background, or I'll play it during the day, like if I'm working and I just want some calm and soothing sounds playing. And I actually started to get into jazz because of my uncle. Like, he's an amazing saxophone player. What's the word? Saxophonist? Is that a word? I don't know. But he's amazing at what he does when it comes to that saxophone. And like, we've had a few family events where he's playing his saxophone, and like, I just love the sound of it. Now, I'm not saying that he plays jazz. I'm not saying that he can't. He probably can. I'm sure he can. There's nothing I don't think he can. I don't think there's anything he can't play on that sax, because he'll be playing music and just playing along with it like nothing. So anyways, my point is, I got into jazz because of that, hearing him play his saxophone and just loving the sound of it. But I wanted something more mellow, which is why I chose jazz. So it's a vibe. Very relaxing. So I am about to yoni steam. I'm probably gonna pull some cards from my oracle deck. Y'all, this is me. This is what I do when I'm by myself. Where's my oracle deck? Oh, it's right here. When I'm by myself, I'm very chill. I'm very laid back. Okay, I don't do much. And when I say I don't do much, I mean, like, when I have free time and me time, I rather not use that time like going out like to the clubs and bars and stuff like that. Like, I'm past that phase in my life. But this is my oracle deck, and I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna steam and probably pull some cards and read up on what it means. And let me show y'all my steam box that I bought myself. I bought myself for my birthday. Okay, so this is my steam box, and the guy, my father could make this for me, but I bought it from this guy because y'all can't even see, but he engraved Gems Holistic. Oh gosh. Oh, the baby is up. See? There goes my luck. This guy woke up. But I'm still gonna steam right after he nurses. I'm probably just gonna sit down and steam while I'm nursing him, because my infusion is already steeping, so I don't want to leave it there too long and then it starts to cool down. I was showing y'all my steam box that I got made. So I put the bowl in the middle and I sit on it, and with this I don't need to wrap anything around me because the box contains the steam, so it only goes up into my pelvis area. And look how cool that is. It says Gems Holistic Lifestyle and Womb Wellness. So I just finished with my yoni steam. I sat on there for about 30 minutes. So I'm about to go to bed, y'all. I'm tired. When I put all of these little clips together, I'll see if I can make a video out of it. I don't even know, but my goodness. I pulled some cards from my oracle deck. I did an in the booklet it's called an ancestral spread. So I was reading the cards from that, and it felt very accurate. I took a picture of it because I want to journal. I want to journal about what each card meant, so I could look back on it. I do stuff like that. Like, if I show y'all the amount of books, like notebooks that I have, that I use to write different things, like, it's insane the amount of books. I have this one, which I use to write things down that I am manifesting. I have this one, which is my actual journal. This one is my daily and monthly planner. I have this one, which is I write notes about stuff that I'm learning. So like if I'm taking a course, I write notes in here, or if I'm looking up information or watching like a video about anything, whatever it is, I write notes in here, and it's actually full. So I have another one that I just started. So I have this one that I just started, so I've been writing notes in this one now. I have this one, which I am using to write notes on my human design chart analysis. I'm not gonna get into what all of that is, but that's another one. And I have this one, which is my everyday, like just everyday note-taking stuff. Like I write my to-do list in this one. I write like when I get my wholesale orders, I write it down. Work stuff, like anything pertaining to stuff that I have to get done on a daily basis that I need to like process and write down, I write it in here. I don't know if any of that made sense, but my point is I like to write. How many is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a daily planner, and then plus I have my monthly planner on the wall that I fill out at the beginning of every month. I started filling it out for November. I gotta finish up tomorrow. Anyways, I don't even know how I just got into that. That's about it. Today's November 1st, I said that, I think. But since yesterday, I've been back in good spirits, and I've regained my drive and motivation to be productive. So I am definitely going to take advantage of that energy, because November is going to be a busy month for me. And yeah, I got shit to do. I got things to accomplish. So, oh, I never showed y'all my my vision board. I'm probably gonna have to show it in a different, I might have to show it in a different video, because this is the lighting is not good right now. But this is my vision board, y'all. Look how nice it is. I'm not gonna go into details about it, but that's my vision board. Anyways, let me end this damn video, because I highly doubt that I'll be adding anything else in it. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, whatever it comes out to be. And to all of my melanated women, protect your womb by any means necessary. And to everybody watching, protect your peace by any means necessary. I wish you all love, light, and prosperity. And y'all will see me in my you will see me in my next video.